Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the lock internals. Remove visible screws and the faceplate now so you can access the spring. Once the assembly is open, photograph the parts and orientation. This saves time when reassembling. Make sure small components sit in a tray and wear safety glasses. Next, use needle nose pliers to hold the latch while you identify the broken or weakened spring, because knowing its anchor points tells you how the replacement must be routed. Now remove the damaged spring carefully and compare it to the new spring so you match coil direction and thickness. This matters for correct tension. Thread the replacement using tweezers or fine pliers, hooking each end into its anchor slots. One end often grips a post while the other presses against the latch cam. Once seated, actuate the latch by hand several times to ensure smooth travel. If binding occurs, reseat the ends or slightly adjust orientation. Finish by putting the faceplate back and tightening screws evenly so the mechanism stays aligned. Over-tightening can bind the latch. Lubricate pivot points and the spring with graphite or a light lock-safe spray, then test the lock with the key and knob several times to confirm reliable action. If you still get sticking or inconsistent return, stop and reopen. Most issues are misoriented springs or debris in the track. Correct the orientation and clear obstructions, then retest until smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.